Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm on Richard's lawn. I'm in the Viewridge neighborhood here today, and today is September 10th. And this is a lawn that I have just aerated, seeded, and fertilized. And I also put on an enhanced lime treatment, and I also put on a bag of a soil amendment that I'm using, one they use on the golf courses and botanical gardens to repair clay soils. It was raining very, very heavy this morning. This afternoon the weather broke, and now it's beautiful and sunny at the end of the day. And I came in here and aerated right after the big rainstorms, and I was pulling really nice long plugs, and they were bone dry. And this lawn was planted on a clay-based soil, and that clay gets so hard, it gets an ionic bonding on there, and it repels water. So I really punched this lawn heavy. I did some extra work on it and threw out, a whole bunch of seed and stuff. And I'm hoping this thing just comes back like $1 billion. And I hope you enjoy my video. I just shoot these out in the field, and at the end of the day, I'm tired. Thank you for watching my video. This is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, lawntuneups.com. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is October 4th. And this is a lawn that I had previously aerated, seeded, fertilized, and put on a bag of, I put on some lime and a bag of soil amendment to repair the soil, a soil conditioner. And the lawn has just been cut, and another landscaper had brought me in here. I was having difficult situations, and so I was brought in to solve this problems that were going on with this lawn, and I just wanted to show you the results. I'm really, really happy with the results, and the older gentleman that lives here is very happy also. This is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company at lawntuneups.com, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.